First of all, a very lovely good morning, all of you.
Good morning. Good morning.
Today we have come out of the class because on Sunday we go out of the class to deliver a speech, to do so many activities. But right now we are not far away. We are just out of our class, not far away so much. First of all, let me ask you a question again. And whenever I come out of the class with all the trainees, we ask this question: what is the purpose of coming out of the class?
Out of class, we will get so much energy and confidence, and people is watching on me, and then I will feel better.
Okay, so people are watching you. Now, what's your opinion, Mr. Josefa?
My opinion, if you will become outdoor class, so your confidence is big, and your if you can speak in public area, so your confidence is very good.
Okay. Now, the purpose of coming really, that's very important because we can also deliver a speech inside the class. Okay, after 2 days, 3 days, we become very friendly and we become घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर like this. One more thing, do not speak. Again, I'm saying, the word you are speaking, feel in your body.
Yeah, understand.
The word you are speaking, and do not speak information. Speak emotion. Do not speak information. Whatever just you have information, because maybe you will deliver speech on the topic of books, and maybe Josefa will deliver speech on the topic of family. What is the importance? Do not speak, only information.
Yes.
Speak with emotion and speak your emotion, because the information you have, so many people have information and better than you information they have, but the problem is that they cannot deliver speech like the way you can deliver. When you are going to deliver speech on any topic, do not come to the point directly. Do not share in first line this is your topic. In first line, do not share. First of all, gratitude and discuss about the people's emotion. About people emotion. Then slowly let them know. Do not you tell. Let them know what is your topic. Understood? Do not directly come to the point and start saying, today I'm going to tell on the topic of family, and this is. First of all, go through the emotion of people. What is the importance of in our life, and where we stand, and where we just spend our much time. So the location, that is our family. No. So please welcome Mr. Josefa to deliver a speech on the topic of family.
बात अलग है, तुम न बदलो मगर जमाना बदल रहा है. कि बात अलग है, तुम न बदलो जमाना बदल रहा है. गुलाब पत्थर पे खिल रहे हैं, चिराग आंधियों में जल रहा है. Me, Muhammad Abu Huzaifa, and I would like to say thanks all of you, and thanks Qari Muhammad Jishan having me this wonderful opportunity.
Yes.
Today I am here because of Qari Muhammad Jishan, and so much people is looking me, and I don't know who are they, and they don't know who am I. And me, Muhammad Abu Huzaifa, and I will deliver speech on the topic of family. Family is very important in our life. Who has family is a lucky person in the world, because in this time, family is very important for life, for our life. Who has no family, ask him what is the family, what is the importance of family. Family is very good for our life, and you can see your parents, you can see your brother, you can see your sister, you can see your father do work hard struggle for me, for our family, because father's dream me make us successful person, and father then I childhood, so father teach how can stand, father teach how can sit, father teach how can walk, father teach how can speak. And you can see your mother.
Yes.
All time he is cooking food for me, for our family. All time mother is washing clothes for me, for our family. And you can see your brother, my elder brother in Saudi Arabia. Before 7 years, he do work hard, he do hard struggle for me, for our family. For me, for our family, because in this time family is very important for our life. Who has no family, ask him what is the family, what is the importance of family. And you can see your sister, you can see your mother. Sister is very good for our life, because who has sister is a lucky person in the world. And you can see your parent. And in this time so much people work doing. If you have money, so son forgot who is father. If son has money, so son forgot who is mother, who is brother, because of money. But he don't know what is the important of family, what is the important of family, our family. If they know family is very important in our life, so he can know, he can see what is the father. And past time father do work hard for me, for family, because his dream I make a successful person. And my brother is do work hard for me, for our family, because so many things in the world, and right now so many things is costly. Thank you for listening me, thank you for watching me.
कि दुआ करो सलामत रहे मेरी हिम्मत, कि दुआ करो सलामत रहे मेरी हिम्मत, ये चिराग कई आंधियों पे भारी है. And today I am here and you are sitting, and I would like to say thanks all of you, and thanks Muhammad Qari Zishan for having me this wonderful opportunity. And today, you know what is book? After book, the man is successful. If you have book, so you have knowledge. Without book, you can't become successful person. You can't do anything. Like you go to any school, so you after book you are read. If you don't have book, you can't study, you can't read. And how much people is successful, they know about so much book. And you can watch one man write our book. After 20 years, he writes our book. He can write our book because he have knowledge. He have confidence how to write, and he has. And you can watch Elon Musk, you know. And daily he read 2 books in a one day. Can you read?
It is very difficult, it is very hard.
That is why he is a rich man in the world. Because he worked hard. He worked hard. After that, he becomes a successful person. And he has so much knowledge. And he can write our book so much. Because he has knowledge. And he has confidence. And he has practiced. After that, he is a make our car, our robots, our technology. Because he has confidence. He has knowledge. And he do so much mistake in our car, in our car, bike, and missile. But he try. After that, he becomes a successful person. The book is not for only read. If you book read, so you can know what is the world. Yeah, like you can watch. You can watch the Holy Quran, the Gita, the Bible. After the book, we know who is God. And the Hadith, you know, because of Hadith, I know what is Prophet. Who is Muhammad? Who is? Because of book. If you don't have book, we don't know who is he, who is she. Because of book, we know who is they, what they do for our life.